Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn unique function. So the application of this function is that in the given data set, you can identify uh, any of the data that is appearing multiple times, and let's say you want list of that those unique items or data within your data set. In that case, unique function is used. Let's understand with this with one example. Currently, we have data of one, let's say, classes wherein students have enrolled from multiple cities and they have enrolled for various courses. Now, first thing is, let's say I want to know from how many cities my students have enrolled from. I'm doing marketing in multiple cities, but I want to understand students belong to which cities. So typically what we will do, we will copy this table, paste it somewhere, and we will do remove duplicates. But there is another way to do this. Limitation of first method is that every time the data set is updated, the table is updated, you will have to, you know copy and paste it somewhere else and then apply this remove duplicates again and again. Instead of that, we can use unique function. So the formula is like this: equal to, you type unique, 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 open the bracket, array. I select the table right from E7 to E36. I close the bracket and then press enter. So automatically, all the cities that are appearing within the city column are now displayed here. Now let's imagine this data set gets updated. Let's say student ABC course is, let's say, Power BI. City is, let's say, Jammu. The list is not updated. Now, how to solve this problem? You can make it E to E. Like I remove E36 and E7. By that way, we are selecting entire E table. The only issue with this is it will capture the column header also, but still this is okay. I would say if you want the list to keep updating as and when the table gets updated. So this is how this unique function works. There is another way we can use it. Let's say, let me first delete the additional data. Let's say I want to see combination of unique cities and unique courses, so that it will help me which course and which city, in which city maximum which course is enrolled by students. To identify that, I can again type the unique formula, but this time I select both the columns, column D and E. I close the bracket. Now you can see combination of unique courses and unique cities has got updated here. So this is how unique function works.